Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fancy chocolates. To begin your chocolate making journey, select premium chocolate with a high cocoa content, ideally 60% or more, for the best flavor and texture. You will also need a few key tools: a double boiler or microwave, a precise thermometer, and your chosen molds. Remember, all your equipment must be perfectly dry to avoid any issues with the chocolate's consistency. Tempering is crucial for beautiful, stable chocolates that don't bloom. For dark chocolate, gently melt it to an initial temperature of about 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, cool it down to approximately 82 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring constantly. Finally, bring the temperature back up to around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise process ensures a perfect shine and a satisfying snap when you break it. Now for the fun part, fillings and molding. Have your delicious fillings ready, whether it's a rich ganache, a gooey caramel, or crunchy nuts. First, pipe a thin, even layer of your perfectly tempered chocolate into your clean molds. Allow this to set slightly. Then, carefully add your chosen filling, making sure to leave enough room for the final chocolate layer. Cap them off with more chocolate and scrape the surface smooth. Patience is key for the final step. Let your chocolate set fully in a cool, dry environment, ideally around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Resist the urge to put them in the refrigerator, as this can lead to condensation and an undesirable white bloom on the surface. Once firm, gently tap the molds to release your beautiful, fancy chocolates. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for the best quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.